Right, Abdi, this is your news. So if you haven't heard me speaking English, what I'm gonna do is just do this video again, mostly in English. So what I really need is people from the rest of Scotland to come and help out with with doing articles. So I need people from that speak Scots that isn't Doric. So I'm from the northeast of Scotland. Again, for it gets jiggle, I guess. Where it gets frosty like this. And yeah, so we speak, broad Scots, broad Doric, and I really like I think there must be broad Scots people from the rest of Scotland that can really help out with like the Central Scots or sort of broad Scots versions. It's just for people south of Forfar, and that'd be really good. And if you got, or if you think that maybe that's too broad, then I can cater for that kind of market. But I'm a language activist, so I want to bring back Scots as a language to the rest of Scotland. So up here in the northeast of Scotland, people still speak absolute broad Scots. Some people living today say nicht, brecht, that's just the way it speak. And other parts of Scotland, you could do that now, but maybe nae say fit. You just need to bring back, how you used to speak in your area, and there must be people in your communities that are remaining, there, that stay, that have lived there, their whole lives, that have been there their whole lives, or stayed there, as you might say in the south of Scotland, that still speak broad Scots, and you should be learning from them. So although I'm all about sort of AI and try to preserve Scots for that, what you really need to do is get out there and speak to folk in your community to learn Scots for them. Because for training with AI database, my dogman. Right. But anyway, for training our database, I want fluent speakers. I'm not after a language activists that are trying to learn Scots, who want to inject it with a load of vocabulary and are on a mission to try and bring back a load of words. I'm on a mission to try and preserve what we've got now, and then maybe have a discussion with the Scots language community, including the people that speak it, and actual Scots speakers, about what we're doing. Because a lot of Scots speakers, the Doric people I'm trying to write to, get pretty alienated by some of the words that are, try to be brought back by the rest, by other people in the Scots language community. But we should be having an open conversation about this, in a positive way, not people going, oh, if it's that, I don't know that word. Well, let's just have a conversation about it. So let's just come along at your news. What are we just Scots? Nothing to do with politics. There's a lot more to Scotland in politics. We're in a boot at. So come along and speak about it.